There are few individuals nowadays who are not absolutely astonished by the prospects of the future of the human race. Its pride in and preoccupation with how far it has come and how far it still has to go are two of many attributes that distinguish humans from all the other forms of life that inhabit Earth, and arguably two of its most propelling characteristics. They are also perfectly comprehensible, given how far men and women have been able to advance themselves and their progeny, both technologically as well as culturally, over the course of centuries. Indeed, what humanity has created in a few short millennia through its incessant labor and the cultivation of its collective mind is nothing less than magnificent and wholly awe-inspiring. To claim otherwise would be downright misanthropic. Without a doubt, the human race has achieved tremendous feats and done the seemingly impossible via the invention and implementation of new technologies, from the wheel all the way to the computer. That being said, it must be acknowledged that there is a critical difference between what human-made technology was used for in the past and what it is being used for now. Previously, technology was always external and utilized so as to make life easier, i.e., common tasks, chores, work, etc. But contemporarily, there are those who seek to literally internalize technologies in order to alter biological realities and capabilities, thus changing the very nature of life itself. Persons with such goals in our society subscribe to an ideology known as transhumanism, which preaches that humanity can and should merge with technological apparati and artificially precipitate its own evolution. Ergo, bioengineering, also known as genetic engineering, the application of biological and/or medical techniques to create modified versions of organisms, and biotechnology, the manipulation of living organisms and/or their components to produce life-altering products, in tandem with their various offshoots and manifestations in the prosthetic industry, synthetic biology, the genetically modified food industry, and the process of human procreation, are indispensable agents that are currently working to permute what it means to be human, and in doing so will displace long-standing conceptions of humanness, as well as all of the morality, thought patterns, and standards, both spiritual and legal, that go along with them. Contrary to what many might be inclined to think, this will lead to an existential crisis of identity that the human race is not ready for, and may pave the way for an uncertain and potentially problematic mortal future and ultimate destiny that is decidedly unhuman.